Have you ever wondered how we see and perceive the world around us? How can our eyes distinguish the vivid orange of a sunset from the lush green of a forest? The answer lies in two types of photoreceptor cells in our eyes: cones and rods. Cones are the cells responsible for color vision. They function best in bright light, allowing us to see a spectrum of colors. There are three types of cones, each sensitive to different wavelengths of light. Long wavelength cones sensitive to red light, medium wavelength cones sensitive to green light, and short wavelength cones sensitive to blue light. These cones are concentrated in the central part of the retina, particularly in an area called the fovea. On the other hand, rods are the workhorses of low light conditions. They are more sensitive to low light levels and are responsible for our peripheral and night vision. Unlike cones, there's only one type of rod, and these are more numerous in the peripheral retina. The key differences between rods and cones lie in their sensitivity to light and their roles in vision. Rods are more sensitive to low light levels, while cones require brighter light to function. Cones provide us with color vision, while rods do not detect colors. Additionally, cones provide higher visual acuity or sharpness than rods. For instance, during the day, cones are primarily at work, allowing us to see colors and details. But when the light fades, rods take over, enabling us to see shapes and movement, but not colors. Rods also play a crucial role in our peripheral vision, helping us detect motion and changes in our surroundings. Other species have different distributions of cones and rods, depending on their visual adaptations and environments. Humans and other primates, for example, have a high concentration of cones in our retinas, enabling us to see a wide range of colors and details. Birds and some reptiles also have a high number of cones, allowing them to see ultraviolet light and detect subtle color differences. In contrast, nocturnal animals like owls, bats, and hedgehogs, along with deep-sea fish and some mammals like cats and dogs, have a higher proportion of rods. This makes them better suited to low light conditions or nocturnal lifestyles. Some animals even boast unique visual adaptations. Mantis shrimp, for example, have the most advanced color vision in the animal kingdom, with up to 12 different types of photoreceptors. Bees, on the other hand, have ultraviolet sensitive photoreceptors, which help them detect nectar-rich flowers. So in essence, cones and rods are the powerhouse behind our vision. Cones, specialized for color vision and functioning best in bright light, and rods, more sensitive to low light levels and responsible for peripheral and night vision, together allow us to perceive the world in all its visual wonder.